Get marked top right and top left on the back of the fabric. As if you're sitting on the bike. Right would be your right, left would be your left. Take it top right, right side of the bike with the back side of the fabric facing you. Slide it between the fork and the fender. Wrap it around and just loosely for now attach one part of the back so it holds in place. Slide your bottom through and with your fingers and your thumbs pull and wrap the Velcro around. Work nice and tight. Twist and adjust accordingly. And you want to work your way back up now because we only attached it loosely. Making sure that your ends are even when you wrap it. With your fingers and your thumbs, pull and wrap and work it all the way up to the top. Now you will have to pull a little bit more at the top because of the upper flange. Your bottom, we need to readjust a little bit because it wasn't quite even. We got the top going, now we're going to just work it down, pulling and working the Velcro down until it's smooth and wrapped tight, aligning by twisting. Now up at the top knot, to get the wrinkle out, same thing, just like down here, all you do is pull with your finger and your thumb, taut, and wrap. And then just twist and pull accordingly. And your installation is complete. This is the right side. We're going to do the left side real quick. Same thing is the right side. Mark top left as if you're sitting on the bike. Fabric facing you. Slide between the fork and the fender. Just like the other side. Loosely wrap it just to hold it in place. Now this side's a little bit different than the other side because of the caliper. Tight, but you'll get it. And adjust accordingly and wrap it. Center again, pull, holding with your finger, and pull and wrap. This is the hardest point on this side, is right where the brake caliper is, so you may have to adjust it a couple of times to get the snugness correct. You got to work around that little knot in the bottom. Twist, twist. Again, we're going to work back up to the top, just as before. Pull and wrap, making sure that the ends are even, and working your way up to the top. A little tricky, but and twist and pull until you get your wrinkles out, and then just adjust the tautness of the fabric. Adjust by twisting. That's it, folks. Enjoy.